it says put the box with the cardboard into the microwave and heat at 100 watts, or is that 400? Let me check. That looks like 900 to me. I guess my microwave does not have 900 watts. 2.5 minutes. So I interpret this that I can put it in just this way. Yeah, well, not quite sure about it. Let's do it with some safety. It may seal the box and make things worse. But I'll try it like this. Okay. Let's try the maximum. Can we see anything? Yeah. Can't get it better to work better, so we will find out. 2.5 minutes, maximal 105 watts. Yeah. So I can't overheat it. No, 600. No. 100 watts is just thawing, so it can't be, it must be 900. So I guess I'm safe, and otherwise the microwave is old. Let's start it. Get the table to turn. Nope, turntable doesn't turn. Better. Did I tell you the microwave is old? Here we go. Ah yeah, it does turn now. A bit. Not really. I'm not sure if that's a good idea. It will for sure open. And it will not be dangerous, it will just end up in a mess. Or burn. It's probably opened now. Yes, it must have opened somewhere. it's steaming. At least it got contained in the safety net, I guess. So this is it. Ouch. Now that's a funny phone video. Looks like it worked. It's actually meant for this, yes. Sounds like a suicidal way of cooking pasta, but it seems to have worked. Yeah, what can I say? Looks like pasta to me. Hot with sauce. Okay. It worked. Does not seem to have ripped or anything like this. Okay. Strange way of cooking pasta, but a working way. At least if it's written on the product that you should do it. Never try it with something which does not say this. Normal instructions are to make some holes in the lid before you put it in the microwave. Here it did not say it, and apparently it's designed to not explode. Other packages will most likely explode if you do this. So really take care and don't try it with random packages. Okay, that's it from my side. Of course I will taste it. I can't turn the... Yeah, can't film it. Not professional here. Yeah. For like a microwave pasta, it's really okay. I would say it's one of the better ones, or even of the best ones I ever had. So yeah, extremely convenient and even tasty. Strange stuff.